Look at the dragon move through the crowd. It is amazing to see the lights and the fireworks tonight.
Yeah.
This is the best celebration we have had in years.
This traditional spread brings together the perfect balance of savory noodles and delicate, fresh dumplings, all paired. Why do street food vendors make such good friends?
Because they always know how to spice up your life and are great at bringing people together over a meal. Why do the Chinese zodiac animals love to celebrate the New Year? Because they always know how to make it a legendary and golden time for everyone.
Why do monks always carry umbrellas? Because they prefer a spiritual connection with the rain, rather than getting wet while they are practicing their martial arts.
The stage is set for a timeless performance, where every movement echoes centuries of tradition, precision.